Hello students, I am Dimple Tyagi is here with you again. Today I will explain you chapter number 1 from English Reader. The name of the chapter is The Most Beautiful Thing. It is written by Rupa Bajwa, an Indian writer. She was born in Amritsar in 1976, where she currently resides. First of all, we will take a look on the word meaning. Look at the first word. Our first word is gram flour. It means flour made from ground chickpea. And in Hindi we can say besan. Okay, let's come to the second word, that is ganni sack. The meaning of ganni sack is sack made of jute. It means bora in Hindi. In Hindi we can say bora. Our third word is mutinous. The meaning of this word is refusing to obey. It means to deny something, right? Let's come to the fourth word, that is anxious. The meaning of anxious is worried. In Hindi we can say चिंतित या फिर परेशान, right? Next word is crooned. The meaning of crooned is spoke gently, धीरे से बोलना. Our sixth word is deftly. The meaning of this word is quickly and with skill. We can say to do something with a great skill, okay, and with a cleverness. चतुराई से कुछ करना, right? Our next word is singed. The meaning of this word is slightly burnt. It means हल्का सा जलना. That's all. Let's start the chapter with warm up. What, in your opinion, is the most beautiful thing in the world? Share your response in class. In my opinion, the most beautiful thing in the world is my family. I can share all my thoughts with my family. When I make mistakes, they make me understand gently where I went wrong. When I feel sad or scared, they never make fun of my feelings. They listen carefully and help me get over those feelings. They are also such fun to be with. They never get tired of the question I ask them. When I am stuck with a problem and feel like giving up, they encourage me to keep trying. They are the best gift in my life, and I cherish them with all my heart. This story is about a 5 years old boy who wanted to make the most beautiful thing with the lump of dough. Ramchand's father ran a very small grocery shop. There were so many items in the shop as rice, pulses, sugar, including homemade biscuit. Ramchand liked the gunny sack smell very much. Ramchand's family lived in a smaller room behind the shop. A curtained off part in the room was used as a bathroom, which was curtained off by Ramchand's mother's sari. The color of the sari was red. Another corner served as a kitchen where Ramchand's mother cooked food on a kerosene stove. Everything in the kitchen were arranged in neat rows. She always tried to keep away Ramchand from the stove. She wore a leaf-shaped nosepin in her nose. Ramchand always liked wandering around his mother when she worked on his stove. One day, after finishing to knead dough, she warned Ramchand not to go near the stove. She also reminded him about Chuhu. To divert his mind in another work, she gave him a lump of dough and set him to make the most beautiful thing with this dough. Ramchand's mother often made sparrow and rabbit with dough for him. She made chapatis deftly and perfectly with a great skill. Once she made sparrow and told Ramchand that how the sparrow fight with her husband and also feed to her children with this very beak. She also made a rabbit having only a bobtail. When Ramchand asked about its face, she told Ramchand that the rabbit was scared to him and running away.